the easiest way to clean a chain is to remove it, and because this one does not have a master link, I bought a chain press and a master link. Theoretically, to push the link out should be very easy. This is universal. It has a special channel over here to fit the chain, so the chain should fit in here, and then you could just crank this thing up, and then this should break the chain. You should push that pin out. And there it is, it went through. And the pin is inside here, so you don't want to lose the pin. Save it. To install the master link, you will have to remove the entire clip completely, so we're going to repeat the procedure. This is one of the cheapest presses out there, but it looks pretty good. There it is, it went through. And then the links are coming off, and then the pin came off too. Now it's time to install the master link. This will allow you to take the chain off much easier. This particular one is curved a little bit, and this one just slides through. And the installation of the master link is very easy. All you do is just put it through, connect to the other piece from the other side, so it doesn't gets pushed out. So we're gonna go in here and then over it, and then now we have to compress the chain so it can lock itself in. There it is. And you could do it with your fingers. Just pull the chain this way and then it will just clip in. And at this point this chain is functional. There it is. And you have a master clip that takes care of all the problems. And now it's very easy to take it off and clean it. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off and dip it into some mineral oils and clean it and have it for next time when I need it.